Hello, hi, I extend a warm welcome to each and every parent of White Petal Schools. I'm addressing to each and every child, each and every parent of all the branches of White Petals. Hi, I'm Karthik Naidu. I'm the founder and director of White Petals chain of schools. Firstly, I want to tell you that we are missing each and every children in our schools. The schools are empty, the classrooms are empty, the play areas are empty, the boards are waiting for our children. But being a very dangerous COVID-19, we have to fight it back. And that is the reason White Petals is standing strong. We are following each and every instruction given by the government. The day government asked us to close the schools for the safety of the children, we did it right away. And even till today, we are following each and every step. And I hope that each and every child is safe, the parents are safe, families are safe, our staff are safe, and their families are safe, and hoping each and every individual person across the globe is safe. It becomes our duty to make sure that we all follow to avoid the COVID-19. So first, I want to tell you that White Petals is standing by the government orders of not starting the school. So when we were staying for a very long time closed, we were working on something exciting, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. We have designed something called as WPS Online Workshop. And this is something which gives me a lot of energy to be sharing with every parent and every child. I will be sharing some important information with you. So I request each and every parent to note down few things because you might have to follow this while you're in the workshop. So let's get into the mind map. I'm going to share my screen with you and I request you to note down every point of it. So first we are going to conduct the online workshop. I believe that you've already seen our flyer and poster which mentions as WPS Online Workshop for Children of White Petals. Yes, this is exclusively going to be for kids of White Petals. Okay, and this is for students only, and I want to tell you that there are going to be limited seats. I'm going to be talking about all of those in this presentation. So the date initially would be from 20th April to 1st May. So let's get into the mind map to understand what exactly are the steps to follow to get into this workshop. So first point would be that I request each and every parent to join the VIP Facebook group. Okay, if you have not received the link, I request you to go to the website, find your branch number, call the admin coordinator and take the link from them. Because VIP Facebook parents group is exclusively going to be to give you informations, to give you some confidential informations which we will not be able to share on the Facebook page in public domain. So we request you to first get inside the Facebook group. And second step is the date for this workshop is going to be from 20th April to 1st May 2020. So this is going to be a 2-week program what we've planned, and I want to mention that there is no fee for this particular workshop as it is only for the kids of White Petals. Okay, the third point is the timings of this workshop will be from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Sometimes the classes might even end at 12:15 or 12 o'clock also. Where is the venue? So the venue we are going to be hosting this entire thing will be on Zoom. So we're going to be sharing the link with you. Personally, we are not going to put it on any public platform or any groups. So we're going to send it personally to you. We request you to store the link because this particular link is valid for the entire workshop. You don't have to wait for any new link that we have to send for the session. So this particular link works every single day throughout the workshop. So you don't have to wait for any other new link. So we request you to store this and keep it and save this safely. And next is going to be, I have few instructions we want to share with all the parents. So we have about 10 points we want you to follow. So please note it down. So the first point is we want you to download the Zoom app if you're using a phone. If you're using a desktop or a laptop, you can still go ahead and download the Zoom app. Okay, and in the desktop you'll be downloading a small file called as the Zoom. So you can get into Zoom and download and then create your account and keep it ready. So we want you to do it right today. If you're watching this video, we request you to do it once you finish this video. Please go ahead and open a Zoom account and keep it ready. Now the second is we prefer you logging in from laptop or tablet. This would be much interactive for the children, because if there is a bigger screen and they're able to see the teacher or the instructor and interact with them, it would be great, instead with a phone of a smaller screen. But if you don't have access to laptop, desktop or tablet, there is no problem, you can still access with phone. So since the phones are a little bigger in size these days, I think that would also work. But we would always prefer, if you have access to laptop and tablet, please go with that, because there are a lot of features that can be used when it comes to laptop. And next is going to be, we want you to download the schedule. So we're going to be sharing the schedule of the entire 2-week program, what is going to go on and what are the events that's happening on particular day, what are the activities and what are the prerequisites that you have to keep it ready for the session. And next is going to be, please get the children accustomed to online, because this is going to be something new for all our children. Okay, the atmosphere in the school is great for them because they've all been amazing at class. They've really enjoyed, they've learned very, very quickly. But online platform is going to be a little new to them. So we request all the parents to guide them by sitting next to them and getting them used to until they are comfortable. And next point is going to be, we request you to keep all the materials ready well in advance. If the session is starting at 11 o'clock, we would request you to keep it ready by 10:30 at the earliest. Keep it ready by 10:30 so you can log in by 10:45 and the session will start by 11 o'clock. And next is going to be, please guide the child to interact. If the instructor is giving any instructions, so if the child is not able to follow due to the voice or due to the speaker issues or anything else, you can always guide the child to interact to that particular instructor. And next is going to be, mention the name of the child in your Zoom account. So once you open your Zoom account, we want you to mention the child's name. So if the name of the child is mentioned, so the instructor would be able to see the video of that particular child and see the name also. So to call out for the instructor, it would be much easier, because we don't have only the class teachers who's going to be handling here. We have different instructors from all the branches. So all the branches are coming forward together to come and pull this out for all our children. So while they're coming in, they might sometimes not know names of every single child. So we request you to enter that particular name on your Zoom account. And next is going to be, all participants should be muted. So once you get inside the room, so you can keep the video on, but we request you to mute the audio, because when the session is going on, if there are about 40-50 participants inside children, and when the other children will not be able to hear what the instructor is trying to say. So we request you to mute as you get inside, because if there must be any interaction, the instructor is going to give you access to unmute yourself and talk or sing a song along. There might be different features that the instructor will be guiding you. So when you're getting in, we request you to kindly mute the audio. And next is going to be, mention the name, class and branch. So we're going to be giving you something important. So we want you to mention all these 3 things. But once you get into the session, the instructor is going to ask you that please mention the name of the child, the class and the branch. So you might have to type in the comment section. There is something called as chat section when you get inside the Zoom. So you can click on the chat section, then you can start typing. So we request the parents to assess this, so for a better interactive session. And next is going to be the Google form. So we have a Google form and we will be sending you this particular link. We want you to fill, it's a quick about 4-5 questions just to know about your name, then what about the class, which branch, and few details about it. So fill that application and keep it ready, so that once it's done, we're going to be sharing with the Zoom link to you. Okay, and next is going to be, kindly log in at least 10 to 15 minutes earlier, because the Zoom call accommodates only 100 participants. That's going to be only 100 students. So since we are doing this for all the branches across, so we would request you to come earlier and catch a spot. And it will be purely based on first come first serve basis. So we request you to come early and catch the spot so that you don't miss it out. Because if you miss out the workshop, then it can be only when you're late. So we are going to open the Zoom room at least about 15-20 minutes earlier. See, so please come early and you can stay there. We're going to be playing some music and some rhymes before we start off the session for 15-20 minutes. So make sure you're early and catch a spot. If you miss out on one day, it's fine. You can catch the next day. You can come early on the next day. And last but not the least is this entire session is only for children of White Petals. This is only for kids who are studying in White Petal schools across, or if you're somebody who's already taken admission or who's likely to take admission, and we would have considered you to be a part and would have shared the link. So this is going to be a closed community call and closed community learning together. So make sure that you're well in advance and let us make this quarantine a memorable for all our kids, because we are hoping to get back to our schools, to have our children back and see those golden days back very, very shortly. But until then, we want to definitely be a part of the growth of the child. So we don't want to have the gap. So that's the reason we have come up with this online workshop. So I request all the parents, since this is going to be a first virtual setup what we are going to be doing, so I request high cooperation from the parents, because coming to the instructors or teachers, yes, they are getting trained technically, but you know, it takes quite a long time to get used to the technology. So they've been working really hard to put up the best thing. If something goes wrong or if something is not happening, fine. We request all the parents to cooperate, support each other, and since this is going to be a community of White Petals, let us all stand strong and fight this COVID-19 and get back to us. So I hope you followed all the instructions. We hope to see you, and we are expecting to see you on 20th April onwards in our online workshop. So having said that, I'll be signing off. Karthik Naidu. Thank you.